as we left this about the radio generator, the X-ray generator, and now we are going to discuss about this radiographic film, that which kind of a film that we are basically selecting to perform this impression of a particular component. आप लोग ने एक्सरे फिल्म देखा होगा, राइट? बहुत से लोगों ने कराया भी होगा एक्सरे, और उन्होंने देखा भी होगा किस तरह से एक्सरे फिल्म होती है। बट जो इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सरे फिल्म होती है वो नॉर्मल एक्सरे फिल्म से अलग होती है, एंड दीज हैविंग अ काइंड ऑफ सेंसिटिव पार्ट टू बी टेक केयर, राइट? तो सेंसिटिविटी बहुत ज़्यादा हाई होती है, तो उसको थोड़ा संभाल के रखना होता है। देयर इज़ some kind of a bag which is provided to maintain the originality of that particular component, right? So that particular system is radiographic film, एंड रेडियोग्राफिक फिल्म जो है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है, राइट? सो एक्सरे फिल्म फॉर radiographic consist of an emulsion gelatin containing radiation halide crystals, and such as silver bromide or silver chloride, and flexible transparent blue tinted base, right? So that the things is basically happening, and the what is that particular radiographic consist of? जो रेडियोग्राफिक फिल्म है वो जर्नली रेडियोग्राफिक जो है कंसिस्ट करता है इमल्शन जिलेटिन, जो कि रेडिएशन सेंसिटिव सिल्वर हैलाइड क्रिस्टल होता है, such as silver bromide or silver chloride, and flexible transparent blue tinted base, as you can see in the figure below over here, that is having a blue tinted base and kind of a silver chloride and the flexible transparent appearance. तो इस तरह का जो है मटेरियल से मिल के इसको बनाया जाता है, और जो इमल्शन है इज़ इन द डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दोज यूज इन द अदर टाइप ऑफ फोटोग्राफी फिल्म। सो जो इनका इमल्शन है वो सिस्टम दूसरे फोटोग्राफी सिस्टम के रिस्पेक्ट में अलग होता है, and that account that is a distinct characteristic of gamma and X-rays, but X-ray film are sensitive to the lights, right? तो कहते हैं ना कि जो भी एक्सरे होता है उसको क्लोज रूम में हम लोग परफॉर्म करते हैं, बिकॉज अगर ज़रा सा भी लाइट का इम्प्रेशन आएगा तो इट मे बी प्रोवाइड अ काइंड ऑफ वाइटिश अपीयरेंस ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर कंपोनेंट। सो उस चीज़ को अवॉइड करने के लिए भी इसका ध्यान दिया जाता है। द पर्टिकुलर थिंग characteristic of that particular, that the usually the emulsion is coated on both side of the base in layers about kind of 0.0005 inch thickness, and putting that emulsion on both side of the base, that doubles the amount of radiation sensitivity and silver halide, and thus increase the film speed. So basically इसको हम लोग प्रिपेयर करते हैं, एक तरह से बनाते जब है कि ये इतना सेंसिटिव हो कि जो भी इम्प्रेशन आ रहा है उसको सही तरीके से अडाप्ट कर ले। Then the emulsion layer are thin enough so developing, fixing and drying can be accomplished. So जो इमल्शन का लेयर है उसके ऊपर इतना इनफ होना चाहिए कि जो जब उसके ऊपर इमेज बाहर आए, राइट, वो जो डेवलप हो, जो भी इमेज डेवलप हो, फिक्स हो और ड्राई करना हो वो ईजिली हो जाए, ऐसा ना हो कि उसको कैरी आउट करने में दिक्कत हो। सो द फ्यू काइंड ऑफ अ फिल्म यूज फॉर द रेडियोग्राफी ओनली हैव दैट इज emulsion on one side which produces the greatest detail in the image. So कुछ फिल्म ऐसे भी होते हैं जो एक साइड ही emulsion होते हैं जो कि एक अलग ही तरह के डिटेल को प्रोवाइड करते हैं, उनका लेवल अलग होता है, राइट? So basically they are providing greatest kind of a detail, means they are providing the finer detail. The word greatest is basically relating to the providing the finest detail of this image as well. So when X-ray, gamma rays or the light strike the grain of the sensitive silver halide इन द इमल्शन। लाइक अब यहाँ पे क्या है कि किस तरह से बेसिकली जो इम्प्रेशन है वो उस पर आ रहा है, तो वो उसको होने का कारण क्या है, वो भी जादू नहीं है। देयर इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ अ साइंस बिहाइंड दैट, देयर इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ अ मटेरियल बिहाइंड दैट बेसिकली. So that basically material are interacting with some kind of a lights, and so that they can reflect it. So when X-ray, gamma rays or the light that striking on the grains, that as you know that each and every part of the any material is containing the grain structures, as you already study in the material science as well, that how the material is to be built. So they are the kind of a crystal, and that crystal into the grains, and that grain combining to provide a kind of a sheet or any kind of a component. So जो भी लाइट है वो स्ट्राइक करती है उस ग्रेन पे, जो कि बहुत ही सेंसिटिव सिल्वर हैलाइड के बने होते हैं, जो कि इमल्शन करके हम लोग बनाते हैं. इमल्शन मतलब उसको भिगो के, राइट. सम ऑफ द बेरियम आयंस आर लिबरेटेड and captured by the argon ions as well. So this change is of some such a small nature that it cannot be detected by ordinary physical method, and it is called a latent image. So that the thing to be developed not by the ordinary image, that the point is to be considered कि जब हम इस तरह के फिल्म को उपयोग में ले आ रहे हैं तो किस तरह का काम कर रहे हैं. सो हाउएवर टू एक्सपोज द ग्रेन्स आर नाउ मोर सेंसिटिव टू द रिडक्शन प्रोसेस when exposed to a chemical solution, that is kind of developer, means that developer is basically helpful to develop the screen, the image which is scanned on from the particular component, and the reaction result in the formation of the black metallic silver as well. So जिस तरह का reaction आएगा, so it is this silver suspended in the gelatin on both side of the base that create an image. So that the page of the film processing for the additional information is provided over here. So that the things that is relating to the radiographic film, and then when we know about this radiographic film, then on which behalf we need to select this film. So that क्योंकि भाई सबका काम करने का तरीका अलग है और हर एक इंटेंसिटी की अलग अलग एक्सरेस को यूज़ करते हैं, और कॉस्टिंग की जो बात है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. दैट्स वाई दिस फिल्म इज टू बी सिलेक्शन, दैट नीड टू बी सेलेक्ट, right. So the selection of a film when radiography any particular component depend on a number of different factors. So these are the factors that is to be considered, like that how much that selecting a film and developing a radiographic techniques basically. So the which kind of a composition of that particular film is to be selected, and the shape and the size of the part being examined, and the particular composition of the particular component as well, that how it gets passed, how it gets through, how the X-ray gets through that particular compositions, and in some cases its weight and location is also need to be considered. So that kind of a film selection is to be taking care. तो ये बेसिक चीज़ें हैं कि कंपोजिशन क्या है, किस तरह के मटेरियल को लेके बनाया गया है, आइदर सो हम बात कर रहे थे कंपोजिशन, शेप एंड साइज ऑफ द पार्ट दैट इज़ टू बी एग्जामिन. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं. तो देयर इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ रेडिएशन इज ऑल्सो दैट इज़ यूटिलाइजिंग to imping on that particular component, right. So that the particular whether you are utilizing the X-rays or X-ray generator or gamma rays from the radioactive sources or the kilo voltage available with that X-ray equipment or the intensity of the gamma radiations. So that the particular thing, and the relative importance of the high radiographic detail or quick and economical result as well is the another kind of a selecting factor. So the selecting the proper film and developing the optimal radiographic technique usually involve the arriving at a balance between a number of opposing factors. For example, if we hide the resolution, contrast, sensitivity of overall importance. Slower and finer grain film should be used in place of faster film. So these are the factors, that are the examples that we need to take care. So these things is to be very much important to understand, right? So that the particular film selection is also very much consideration. As you can see, there is the thickness and the particular voltage appearance, that to be structure also it's showing over here. So that example is showing the high resolution and contrast sensitivity that we discussed earlier as well, and that is all. So the important thing is that how to handle this particular film, because this is the very sensitive part of the particular developing process. तो हम इसको कैसे हैंडल करें, राइट? किस तरह से इसको बचा के रखना है कि किसी तरह क्रैश ना आए, किसी तरह का हेयर, कोई तरह की गंदगी ना उसके ऊपर बैठे। तो इन सब चीज़ों को थोड़ा ध्यान में देना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि हम लोग इंडस्ट्रियल बेस इंडस्ट्री में इसको यूज़ कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो इसको हैंडल करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो जो एक्सरे फिल्म है शुड ऑलवेज बी हैंडल केयरफुली टू अवॉइड द फिजिकल स्ट्रेन्स। मीन्स कहीं पे हाथ लग गया, कहीं स्क्रैच पड़ गया, तो उससे क्या होगा कि जो लाइक रिटन ओवर हियर ऑल्सो, दैट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ सच काइंड ऑफ अ प्रेशर, द काइंड ऑफ अ क्रीजिंग, बकलिंग, फ्रिक्शन एटसेट्रा, दैट काइंड ऑफ अ फिजिकल स्ट्रेन that is to be happen on the X-ray film, and that should be taken care before we are going to perform this particular test. So that's why this film handling is very much important thing to be considered. So whenever the film are loaded in the semi-flexible holder and the kind of external clamping devices that are used, that the care should be taken to be ensure pressure is uniform. And if a film holder bear against the few high spots such as on ground weld, the pressure may be great enough to produce desensitized areas in the radiograph. So these particular precaution is particularly important. तो इन सब चीज़ों को बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान में देना ज़रूरी है। दैट यूजिंग द इन्वेलप पैक्ड फिल्म, जो भी फिल्म है उसको एक काइंड ऑफ स्पेशल काइंड ऑफ इन्वेलप में हम लोग उसको प्रोटेक्ट करके रखे रहते हैं, एंड देन वी नीड टू रिमूव व्हेन वी नीड टू परफॉर्म द ऑपरेशन. So this precaution is particularly important when using envelope packed film, and mark resulting from contact with the particular figure, right? And fingers that are moisture or contaminated with processing chemicals, as well as crimps mark, or that is also avoided if larger film are always grabbed by the edge and allowed to hang free, right? So the supply of the clean towel should be kept close to at a hand. और जब भी मतलब इसको हम कैरी ऑन कर रहे हैं तो एक साफ़ टॉवल को लेके चलना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और that is to be clean and dry, and that basically protect the particular component. So use of the envelope packed film avoid many of these problems until the envelope is open for processing, right? The particular thing need to be avoided, that's why we are putting it into the envelopes. And the another important precaution is to avoid drawing film rapidly from the cartoons, exposure, holder or the cassettes. So such care will help to eliminate the circular or terra-like black marking in the radiograph that sometimes result due to the static electrical discharges, and that's the thing we need to take care. तो ये बार मैं बताता, ये हमेशा ही बात करते आए हैं हम लोग कि जब भी हम इसको परफॉर्म करेंगे तो उस समय ये जो पर्टिकुलर फिल्म है उसको हैंडल करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज़ टू बी टेकिंग केयर इन द इनवेलप्स टू अवॉइड द काइंड ऑफ स्क्रैचेस, द काइंड ऑफ फिजिकल अपीयरेंस ऑफ द हैंड, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी टेकिंग द कंसिडरेशन these particular things. So that is the particular little consideration regarding how we particularly perform this test, right? So this the another kind of things that we need to taking care, that is the exposure vault and the cabinets, right? So these exposure vaults and the cabinet allow personnel to work safety in the area while exposure are taking place. And the exposure vault that tend to be larger walk in the room with the shielding providing by the high density concrete block and the lead, as you can see in the figure as well, it is clear. The exposure cabinet are often self-contained unit with the integrated X-ray And these exposure cabinet are often self-contained unit with the integrated X-ray equipment and are typically shielded with the steel and the lid to absorb X-ray radiation. So exposure vault basically एक तरह का एक कैबिनेट है जो एक क्लोज चैम्बर का रोल प्ले करता है, जिसके अंदर फिल्म को डेवलप करने का काम किया जाता है। हाईली सेंसिटिव एरिया होता है जिसको हमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा ध्यान में रख के रखना होता है। और जो एक्सपोजर कैबिनेट है सेल्फ कॉन्टेंट यूनिट होता है, दैट इज इंटीग्रेटेड विद द एक्सरे इक्विपमेंट एंड आर टिपिकली सील्डेड विद दिस पर्टिकुलर लीड, दैट इज द स्टील एंड द लीड टू ऑब्जर्व एक्सरे रेडिएशन। एंड एक्सपोजर वॉल्ट ऑल्सो कैबिनेट आर इक्विप्ड विद द प्रोटेक्टिंग इंटरलॉक्स, राइट, सो दैट इंटरलॉक दैट डिसेबल द सिस्टम इफ एनीथिंग इंटरप्ट। अगर मान लीजिए कोई भी काम कर रहे हैं, उस समय डेवलपिंग का काम चल रहा है, अगर कोई मिसहैपनिंग हो रही है तो उस मिसहैपनिंग को बचाने के लिए देर इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ सिस्टम दैट इज द इंटरलॉक इज प्रोवाइडेड। सो एडिशनली वॉक इन वॉल्ट आर इक्विप्ड विद द इमरजेंसी that is leading to the kill buttons and that allow radiographer to shut down the system if it is should accidentally be shattered while they were in the vault. So किसी भी मतलब एक्सीडेंट्स को बचाने के लिए या किसी भी तरह के प्रॉब्लम को अवॉइड करने के लिए इस तरह के किल स्विचेस को प्रोवाइड किया जाता है, राइट। तो अभी हम बात कर रहे थे इस पर्टिकुलर कैबिनेट्स की, और इस कैबिनेट का भी मतलब एक ज़्यादा वो है ना कि ये तो एक तरह का एक तरह की बात हम लोग कर रहे हैं, राइट। देयर इज अनदर काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स एज वेल दैट इज मेंटेनिंग। सो दैट इज द थिंग एंड देन to this particular slide and showing this particular film processing how you can see this is the particular film that is taken from the particular codec. Okay, so that the radiography film consists of a transparent blue tinted base coated on both sides with an emulsion, right, जो कि हमने पहले बात किया था, both side emulsion की बात की थी, sometime having the only one sided. So the emulsion consists of gelatin containing the microscopic radiation, that is sensitive silver halide crystal such as silver bromide and silver chloride. And when the X-ray, gamma rays or light rays strike the crystal or the grain, some of the barium and beryllium and the liberated capture argon ions that is to be captured. And in this condition, the radiograph is said to contain a latent hidden image because the change in the grain is virtually undetectable, and but the exposed grain are now more sensitive to reaction with the developer. So that is the thing, that the particular thing is to be happen. And when the film is processed, it is exposed to several different chemical solution for control period of the time. And the processing film basically involves the following 5 steps: the development, stopping the development, fixing, washing, drying. So these are the particular steps that is to be follow up, and these are basically steps having a very detailed knowledge of performing this test. So this is not about this the particular slide, they are having a very kind of a varieties and the details that is to be kept to maintain the quality of this particular process. So the development is the kind of a developing agent, gives up electron to convert the silver halide grains to metallic silver, right. So that particular grain that have been exposed to the radiation, that develop more rapidly, but given enough time, the developer that will convert all the silver ion into the silver metal. So proper temperature control is needed to convert the exposed grain to the pure silver while keeping unexposed grain as silver halide crystals, right. So that the development is to be taken care, but there is a detail also. If we will get the time, we will detailing also these things. So stopping the development, that the stop bath simply stop the development process by diluting and washing the developer away with the water. And these fixing unexposed silver halide crystals are removed by the particular fixing bath, and these bath are very much kind of carrying the kind of a chemical, and that chemical having a kind of a forms to be released, and that's why we need to taking care of a special kind of protective gears to avoid this kind of a problem. So the fixer dissolve only silver halide crystals, leaving the silver and metal behind, and the washing, the film is washed with the water to remove all the processing chemicals. So to maintain the particular this thing we need to take care, and that then we need to dry this particular film. The film is to dry for viewing. So the processing film is a strict scene governed by the rigid rule of the chemical concentration, temperature, time and physical movement, and whether processing is done by the hand or automatically by the machine. Excellent radiograph required a high degree of consistency and quality control. So that the point that is to be understand. Now the manual processing and the dark room. What are these particular? The manual processing basically begin with the dark room. The dark room that should be located in the central location, and basically ये क्या है ना, एक तरीका है इसको डेवलप करने का, राइट? तो किस तरह से इसको डेवलप करना है मैनुअली इन द डार्क रूम में. सो तो जो मैनुअल है वो डार्क रूम शुड बी लोकेटेड इन सेंट्रल लोकेशन एडजेसेंट टू द रीडिंग रूम एंड रीजनेबल डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द एक्सपोजर. And for portability, dark room are often on the picks up and basically the film should be located in a light position and the tight compartment as well, which is most often a metal bin that is to be used to store and protect the film. An area next to the film bin that is to be dry and free of dust and dirt should be used to load and unload the film as well, right? So the another area that is on the wet side should be used to process the film. So there are the kind of processing units that is provided over here. So this method protect the film from the any water or the chemical that may be located on the surface of the wet side. So that's why these are the kind of a location is to be provided, and the each of the step in the film processing must be excited properly to develop the image, wash out residual processing chemicals, and to provide adequate shelf life of the radiograph as well. So what is the objective of this processing is to be twofold. The first to produce the radiograph adequate for viewing, and the second to prepare a radiograph for achieving the archival storage. So that the radiograph are often stored for 20 years, as you can see, the 20 years or more is required for the inspection. So this kind of a standard procedure is to be taken care, and that's why we discussing why we need to take care these kind of things to perform the kind of operations. Right, and then if we going for the automatic process evaluation, so the automatic processor is the essential piece of equipment in every X-ray department. So the automatic processor that will reduce the film processing time when compared to the manual developed by a factor of 4. And अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं इसकी कि जो मॉनिटर है वो दैट इज़ परफॉर्मिंग बाय द प्रोसेसर, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम द ऑप्टिमम टेम्परेचर एंड मैकेनिकल चेक्स, chemical and sensitometric that checks should be performed for a developer and fixer. Chemical checks involve measuring the pH values of the developer and fixer as well, and both the replenisher, also the specific gravity and the fixer silver level must be measured. तो ये सारी चीज़ों को आपको मेंटेन करना है. Then you need to perform the operation well, and then you will get particularly get better result. And that's why we need to take care each and every point to protect and take care the particular process. Basically funda is that. So that is the sensitometric. The check may be carried out to evaluate if the performance of the film in the automatic processor is being maximized, and this check involvement measurement of the basic fog level, speed, average gradient made at 1 degree centigrade interval of the temperature. So the range of the temperature measurement depend on the type of the chemistry in use and whether the cold or the hot developer. तो basically जो भी system है, जो भी अब मोटा मोटा यही समझना है इतनी हायर लेवल की क्यों इतनी महंगी होती है. क्यों इतना इतना सेंसिटिव होता है, क्यों इतना इसमें ध्यान देना होता है, और क्यों इतना ज़रूरी है कि किसी भी वेल्ड को जब हम परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं तो उसको चेक करना, और उस चेक करने के लिए इन चीज़ों का इतने लेवल पे बेहतर होना क्यों ज़रूरी है। एंड दैट्स वाई अगर हम इन सारी चीज़ों को मेंटेन करते हैं तो हम एक क्वालिटी वेल्ड, क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट को हम डेवलप कर सकते हैं। एंड दैट्स वाई दीज ऑल काइंड ऑफ अ सिस्टम इज़ टू बी टेकिंग केयर। सो दीज थ्री मेजरमेंट बेसिकली द फॉग लेवल, speed, average gradient should then be plotted against the temperature and compare with the manufacturer supplier figure. So that the kind of a basic kind of a information which I provided to you. So this is all about this particular, and in later class we will discuss the detail about these particular products as well.